exhibit 1. Like, I wanted it's 11 minutes past 4, and like an hour ago.
What's 11 minutes past 4? 11 minutes past which 4?
See, I hate recording when my husband is around me. I don't like it. I don't like recording when my husband is around me. Anyway, it's few minutes past 11 p.m. and I called earlier. I called the maternity unit earlier because while I was exercising, because I normally do like squats and some exercises at night and in the morning, I had a wet feeling. So I had to call and I explained myself. So they said an hour after I should put on a pad, and then an hour after I should call them back, which I've just done. I'm still having the wet feeling, so they said I should come and check. I should come into the hospital and check if my water has gone. So we are going to the hospital now. That's the update. Let's go. We are here. I just got checked, and so far so good. Nothing. My water has not broken. Everything is still intact, but she just did a swab test and we have to wait for the results for 5 minutes. Everything is okay. Baby's heartbeat is okay. Blood pressure, everything is good. So we're waiting for the swab test, and yeah, when the results comes out, I guess we'll go home. So I haven't spoken to you guys after that night. We go back home. After that night, I said I was going to get back to you guys on the results. It was negative. Yeah, so we just went back home. They said it was maybe just some maybe baby's just pressing on my bladder or something, and it's just like maybe remnants of urine, or I forgot what she said. Although it was not smelling like urine, but it was not my water. My water had not gone. So we came back home, and before that day, I've not actually vlogged for like some days. I vlogged that day obviously because I want to document the whole journey, just in case I was going into labor and all that. But that was not the case. And we got back home, and it's been 2 days and I'm still here. The bump, I don't know if you can see it, the bump is still here. So yeah, anyways, research has shown that, not research, in fact research, doctors and people, professionals have said it, that all these dates, raspberry, pineapple, okra water, walking and all that does not actually do anything for labor. That baby comes when baby wants to come, when baby is ready. That the only thing that just helps is sex. That's the only thing that's like been proven to help with labor. That is sex. And yeah, I'm just tired at this point, to be honest. I'm tired. But anyways, let's just leave that aside because I don't want to get into it and get in a mood. Yeah. Anyway, I'm cooking. I got some food stuff from Nigeria. My mother-in-law and my mom, they sent me like a lot of stuff. I'm so thankful for them in my life. Like, they sent dried fish, snail. I'll show you guys in a bit. Snail. I needed more of dried fish because I was tired of eating mackerel, using mackerel to cook soup. And the dried fish, if you know, it's not giving. It's not it at all. And even if you see like really nice one, it's really expensive. So I'm so thankful that they were able to send these things to us. And I'm currently cooking. I'm making 2 soups, egusi and ogbono. Tomorrow I'll probably make rice, just stuff the house with food before baby arrives. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to. The logistics company that we used was AAJ Logistics, and they were quite good. Their prices are fair, and yeah, it was good. I think we paid what was sent was 18 kg, and what we paid was about 170k. I remember I was going to DHL for the same 18 kg and they were calling 470,000. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the difference? So people are still using DHL. Wonderful. Anyways, we used AAJ. Our stuff arrived in 10 days actually, but we got it on the 12th day, because when we got in here, the delivery company that was supposed to deliver it to us here, DPD, they sent a message that it was delayed for 24 hours, and they brought it the next day, which was perfect. I'll show you guys when I finish cooking, but the process, I'm not doing that. So this is the box of goodies, like a lot of dried fish. Like I was specific, I wanted dried fish. They sent pepper soup spice, sent fish. Like the fish was a lot. This is dried periwinkle. They sent, this is dried imbe. Yeah, and I'm happy. I just finished cooking, and this is exhibit 1, a goose, and this is exhibit 2, a bono. Yeah, so we're covered for some days or weeks.
Last time I say the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy night, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Hey, I was chilling with the bros who was up for a night out. Yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy night, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it, babe.
So I just discovered something here. I've always used Utimol, and whenever I use Utimol to brush, I feel hungry like almost immediately. But I decided to try this Oral-B toothpaste, this particular one, and when I brush, I can go for hours and I won't feel hungry. I might just need to drink water. So I feel like the toothpaste you use plays a role with feeling hungry. I don't know if it's me, but this is what I've noticed, so I'm going to have to restock more on this than this, because, and this is also really nice. I love it. It does the job. I love it. Shaving my brows. This white thing on my brows is shaving cream. This is what I do if I am not waxing it. Yes, and I've not waxed for, I think, over 4 months now. I haven't waxed. This is the second time I'm doing this in a period of 4 months, but yeah, that's by the way. Anyway, I plan on going out today, but I want to like repack my hospital bag and repack baby's bag too. I've already packed. I just did a rough packing just in case, but there are some things I need to add in the boxes and in my box and baby's bag, so I'll do that. And then after that, later in the evening, I'll go and visit my friend, because she moved to a new place and I have not gone to that place for forever, because I mean she's been busy with work and I can't go there if she's not around. And another thing is, I hope it's not just me, because whenever I'm cooking, whenever I'm having my bath, whenever I'm cleaning, whenever I'm doing something, I must watch something. It's either I'm listening to a podcast, or there's this channel I recently discovered. It's called Cruise. They bring real people. I want to think that it's not scripted. They bring real people, real scenarios, and they just, let's say for example, they bring a boyfriend and a girlfriend. They ask them questions, like they go with the prompt, and then they've brought mothers and daughters, they've brought sons and mothers, they've brought siblings, best friends, whereby they ask you, like for best friends, they'll ask you what happened. Did you think I was the cause of the breakup, the friendship breakup? or do you think you're doing too much, or all those kind of questions, right? Yeah, I love that channel. And currently I'm watching Booma's vlog, Boomsy Spot. Yeah, I finished while I was working out. I was watching Chinyere Bang's vlog. Yeah, anyway, that's what I'm up to. I'll just quickly shower and then I'll pack my box. I'm filming that for Instagram and TikTok by usual, but I'll still show you guys snippets, okay? And if you're not following me on TikTok and Instagram, Kilo Shele. Kilo Shele. I'll put my handles on the screen right now so that you can go follow me if you're interested in seeing the content I post on there. And if you're not yet subscribed, I don't know why, but I think you should consider subscribing because the content is about to choke. Yes, it's about to choke. Yes, and I can't wait for like the type of content that will be coming in now, because I'll be documenting a lot. Let me just leave it at that. Yeah, so let me quickly shower and I'll speak to you guys soon. I'm editing this vlog and the vlog is just all over the place, but you guys have to take it like that because some days are like that. Some days are like that. Anyways, I'm here to end the vlog because I promised myself that I will not just stop the vlog. I must come and officially end the vlog. Yes, so I'm putting what I've said into practice. God help me, I keep doing it, because sometimes you just want to edit and get it over with. Anyways, I'm here to end the vlog. If you got up to this point, say, what are we going to say if you get up to this point? Say, see you in the next vlog. Yeah, see you in the next vlog. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I might start a new vlog today. I might start a new vlog now or later in the evening or tomorrow. But yeah, and who knows, the next vlog might be a delivery vlog. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Bye.